in fairness to be truthful, this particular road here was good until Total came in. Then after using this road for their operations carrying sand in order to establish the office here, the later Prime Minister was that they were going to remedy the situation. But you can see yourself up to this moment, Total has not done anything. Besides, when you talk, when you say, look, you must do this, they say they are under the federal government and not under the community. The federal government is their landlord. And that this job too, this gas plant is for the federal government and not for Total. That Total is just doing the job for federal government. Whereas federal government is paying Total. Yeah. So I think we have come to the crossroad. Because they told us that they were coming to discuss evaluate EIA as environmental impact assessment. But we cannot see any Total staff. And their consultants did not take it fit to invite even the Minister of Abia State Environment to be presented here, not to talk of the federal. So, whatever my people decide to do this year, like I normally say, in as much as I am not close to violence, where violence will be the answer, so be it. Thank you.
Thank you.